how to cut video in CapCut. So if you want to cut a video in CapCut, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut application, go with edit, and then select the video that you would like to edit. Or go with a new project, and then select a new project. Once you've selected, now if you want to cut this video, then what you need to do is you just need simply go to the part from where you would like to make a cut. Like for example, if I want to cut it from here, then I'll just simply tap on the video, and here on the bottom left, as you can see that you will have split, tap on split, and then choose the part till where you would like to cut. Like I want to just cut this whole segment. I'll select the segment and then go with delete. And that's it. If you want to make more cuts, then you can simply select the video and then go with split. Again, select the video, split, and in this way you'll be able to cut the video. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.